Hey guys, Ross from Plumbs Up Plumbing and Drains here today to talk to you about your main shutoff valve. This is the main service coming into your home just before the meter. Okay, this turns off the water from the city that comes into your home. Now what we're going to be replacing today is a older style gate valve. It's got a couple of more moving parts inside here. So what happens, a lot of people forget that they have this in the home until they really need to shut off the water to their house for some reason, for an emergency, if any leaks or whatnot, any work or service to be done in their home. So what happens is these valves become seized when they're not used on the regular. They've got a few more moving parts inside, and when they do turn, sometimes they start to leak. All right, and what we're doing today is replacing this valve with a ball valve. It's quarter turn. It's a more steady, reliable valve. One stainless steel valve inside that closes and cuts off the supply of water. Right, easier application. That's what we'll be installing in this resident's home. Should any of you guys out there have any questions regarding your main service valve, you can contact us. Give us a call or go on our website at plumsup.ca for more information. Thanks a lot and have a great day.